From St. Patrick's School, this is our 8th grade class. We're all 13 and 14 years old, now introducing one at a time. My name is Robert.
My name is Max.
My name is Caitlin.
My name is Kaya.
Lauren.
Audie.
Michaela.
Kyle.
Michael.
Angel.
Aaron.
Ethan.
Cole. Connor.
Chloe. Caitlin.
Jacob.
Nick. Liam. Tush.
Callie. Jennifer. Janine. Meredith. Antonia.
Garrett. Matthew. Brian. Rudy.
Now we'll be in conversation with each other, talking about what we have learned about your school from Google Earth.
Right, who would like to share? My name is Mrs. Marshall. I'm the 8th grade teacher. And that's Mrs. Sarkeesian over there. She's the other 8th grade teacher. What was the longitude and latitude of the school that you found? Who would like to participate? Max?
It was 33 degrees latitude, 49, 4.92 degrees south, longitude 18, 30, 31.70 degrees east on longitude.
Okay. Is it in a different hemisphere
Yes.
as we are? So is it south of the equator?
Yes.
Is it east of the prime meridian?
Yes.
Okay, so you have a general sense geographically of where they are at. Is the country broken up into states, like the United States?
No.
What is it broken up into? What did you find out? Kush?
Countries.
Hold on. What was that, Kush?
Countries.
Countries. Okay, and so in those countries, are they broken up by provinces, by counties, by towns? What did you find, or what did you seem to find? Jen?
But they were broken up by provinces because the pieces of land are larger.
Okay. Does that seem like it would be about right from what you've kind of learned in the past? Okay. The third question, what do you think the weather is in this part of South Africa? What did you put? Anthony.
Cold because they're right there on the ocean, plus they're right under the equator.
Are they right under the equator?
No.
They're really far south. Really far south. And the closer you are to the equator, the warmer you would be, correct?
Yes.
More tropical your climate. And so as you go farther and farther south in South Africa, or sorry, in Africa, into the farther south, it's actually going to be a pretty, I would say, moderate climate in the sense that they have more of a seasonal change. It might be really hot during their hot season, but I think it's going to be a more moderate climate. I might be wrong. I've never been to South Africa before. Anybody have something different, climate-wise? Nick?
It was warm because on Google Earth there's a lot of people wearing light clothing.
Really?
Instead of, like jackets.
Okay. Now, if they are on the opposite side of the equator than us and on the opposite side of the prime meridian as we are, what season is it? Liam?
It would be opposite of us because since they're on the southern hemisphere, the axis would tilt the opposite direction.
Okay. And so what season are we in?
We're in spring,
And so what season would they be in?
fall.
They're fall. And so is our fall particularly warm?
Yes.
I think our best weather is in the fall. It's hot. I would much rather be out of school in fall than out of school in May, right? Because this is May weather for us. So if it's warm there right now, it would tell you that it's probably pretty similar to where our climate is in the fall. Don't you think? A little bit? All right. Question number 4. How big does the school seem? How big does the school seem? Just from Google Earth. Michaela?
It seems pretty big, and there's lots it seems like there's multiple stories to the buildings too.
Okay. Anything else that you noticed about the campus? Meredith?
It's really big and there's multiple fields and stuff and tennis courts and a swimming pool.
Okay. Swimming pool is nice, right? Any of you play tennis in here? Do you? Okay. Any of you like to play on a tennis team with 4 courts available to you? Yeah, that'd be very nice. What do you think? Is the campus spread out? As in, there are buildings all over the place, or does it seem like the buildings are in one location and the athletic fields are in another? What did you find? Jacob?
I think it's more like in one spot than spread out.
The buildings are in one spot?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything similar to the way our campus is set up? Anything similar? Pick on some people. Antonia? Anything similar?
The soccer team.
Okay.
We don't have lighthouse.
Okay, so they have soccer fields. Ethan?
We have a beach close to us.
Okay, beach close to us, and as they did? They had a beach close to them? Okay, and so that would kind of leads me to the next question, question number 5. What geographical features surround or are around the school? What did you know? So big geographical figures. Callie?
There's a lot of houses and fields and plus the ocean.
Okay. Would you say that they are right on the coast, or are they a couple kilometers away, miles away?
Not right on the coast.
Not right on the coast? Proximate? Close?
9 miles.
9 miles. Okay. About how many miles do you think we are from the ocean? As the crow flies. So it means straight line to the ocean. What do you think?
2 or 3.
Maybe 3. Maybe 3. Okay. So we get a lot of that coastal breeze from that. I'm sure that they might get something similar, but they would probably be the equivalent of going to maybe 227 from the beach. Does that make sense? It's a lot warmer around 227 or towards Paulding, away from the beach than our school. Okay, what else? Anything else besides the ocean? Kush?
Cape of Good Hope.
Okay, Cape of Good Hope. And that is, any of you, we'll get to that, but any features seem that they would be a vital part of the region's economy? What did you put for this? This was a difficult question. Cole?
I would say that like fishing would be a big part of the economy because there's ocean right there and like boat manufacturing.
Okay. Anything else? Ethan?
The beach would attract tourists.
Okay, so tourism is probably a big industry. Yeah. Jacob?
They can ship goods in through the ocean to get the goods to where they're located.
Okay, so probably trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. In the same way that their geography might play a part of their economy, in what ways does our geography play a part of our economy? What are some major fields of business that we have here because of our geography? Anybody have anything to add to that? Think about it for a second. What do you think? Caitlin?
Tourism.
Tourism's huge, yes, absolutely. Lauren?
We have farming.
Farming, absolutely. And what, now, farming doesn't necessarily have a lot to do with our geography, but it has a lot to do with our what?
Economy.
Well, it has a lot to do with our economy, but why are we able to farm so well?
Fertile soil.
Fertile soil and what else? Cole?
The climate.
The climate. We have a really moderate climate. Things grow here because it's not too hot, not too cold, right? Let's go to the next page, number 6.